Hello, Dr. Gail.
It's Dr. Gale's in the house this morning.
We are here. If you're Dr. Gail, can I be Beaker?
Absolutely.
What do you got going on?
This is a Hario cold water brewer. It's called the clear
water dripper.
Dripper. Well, I'm just saying it's a cold brew is what I was getting at.
Got it. Okay.
So this, this is an experiment. You can tell. Little spigot down here. Put the water up in here. You put your coffee filter in. It's like a French press filter. You put that in there. Get in there. You put your ground coffee in there. 72 grams of coffee for
6 servings.
6 servings, yeah. Then you put this on top. No, actually, first you pre-infuse it. You put water in it. Then you put the filter on the top. And then you set this to dripping 1 drip per second. And it takes about 5 hours to do a total pot down into here.
Now, that's the theory. Because this is like 3rd or 4th time the charm. We cannot get the grind on this right for the life of us.
First time it overflowed. And we're like, oh man, what's going on?
So we're taking it up even coarser this time with the hope.
Second time we came closer.
No overflowing, but it still got just a little more than half done in the 5-hour period. So we're hoping now, with this new grind change.
We can only hope, right? Okay, so we're going to grind up some coffee. Okay.
We got a lot of coffee. We're
This is
using
Tangletown.
the Zoka Tangletown.
Yep.
I do have to tell you that I did cheat the last time, though, Gail.
What did you do?
I did taste the crazy brew.
And?
It was good.
Was it?
Even on the it was strong. It was like a concentrate. Like you would want to add a little bit of water to it. But it was actually, you know what? With a little bit of half and half. It was muy delicioso.
Anything with half and half, cat, is good. That's not an issue. Okay, I'm gonna try to pre-infuse this out here, but I'm thinking it's gonna come through. We'll see. I didn't want to have this be wearing it. Yeah, it's going down. It's going down.
Whoop!
Yep, that's
Dribbles.
There we go.
Nice one, Gail.
Hey.
Okay.
That's what I'm for.
So, filter on top, and then we,
Yep. Let me give it
add
a
our...
little more pre-infuse in that one spot there. I want to make sure everything gets wet. There.
Oof.
Oof. Got cat all torqued up.
I gotta flatten her down.
Yeah. Day. That'll become wet real quick. Can't remember which way is up. I think that's closed. And 5 hours later, we're going to come back to this baby. All right. Come here. This is like an IV drip. 1, 2, 3. We want 1 per second, so that's a bit fast. It's very sensitive, I found. How's that?
That's a drip every 2 seconds.
Is it? Okay. Did you call me a drip? Let's see, it's up to make it go faster.
There we go.
Is that good? You think?
Yeah, it's close. I mean, I'm going back and forth between drip and... There we go. Okay. So we'll be back in 5 hours after we've dripped it out.
There's a lid for the water too, and then that lid also fits in here.
Once you're all done.
Yuppers.
Okay.
Exciting.
All right, Gramtastic. We'll be back in a bit.
It's dripping.
I got hope this time.
We're maybe going to make it.
Cool. All right.
See ya. Okay. look at that. It's
We have
done.
we have finally prevailed, Gail.
How many hours did it go?
1 million. You know, we ran probably an hour later than we should have. And when we came down here, there was just a little bitty bit left.
Close
but
enough.
let's taste her up.
Yeah, look at that. For your tasting pleasure. Cup of coffee. See, it's thinner. It's not espresso.
Thanks for breaking that down for me, Gail.
It's a good thing I'm here, folks. That thing just had another drip. Looks like strong tea. Too weak for me. Not liking it. No, this is something weird between tea and coffee.
Yeah, you know, I think it's like for us to do, we had to take the grind up so much for it to go in the time frame.
Right. It just is. Or to not overflow.
When I tried our second time around, you know, where at 5 hours, it was about a little more than half brewed.
Are we reading the directions right?
Yeah. It was strong. It was more of a concentrate.
Well,
but
this would not be a full-bodied cup of coffee for me. I can drink this black just the way it is, cold even, and still be fine.
yeah. I don't know.
So it's different. Clink, clink.
All right, well, I guess third time wasn't quite the charm, but we were able to be successfully get the water to, you know.
Well, we did it the way it's supposed to be, and if it's maybe not our cup of tea, coffee, then it isn't.
And we should say that we did read some translated directions that gave tips like, if you want stronger coffee, the quantity amount is lot. If you want weaker coffee, the quantity for grind amount is few.
We could have used this with a little finer grind with half the water. Maybe we should try that.
Yeah, we could mess around with a little bit more. I don't feel like it's lost its thing. I mean, I think that it's got a great idea about it.
Well, the Hario products are so good that I'm wondering if there isn't some way to tweak it around.
I guess my concern would be like, who is going to do this?
Not me.
It's 5-6 hours for a brew. I guess you could do it overnight if you got your science down. Gail's like, no.
No, I'm not going to do it. I never said I would. Never said I would.
All right, well, that was our review, I guess, of the clear Hario dripper.
I love the look and all. I love the concept. And it looks like something that belongs in the lab.
So we should put it out as usual. If you own one of these and you make a great cup of coffee with
let us know.
Put some comments in here and let us know what you did.
Let us know what we're doing incorrect.
Yeah, all right. Thank you, Gail.
You're welcome.